Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Small Business Social Show, where we're dedicated to helping you discover your own personal business model, as well as simplifying the process of creating, marketing, and growing that business. My name is Jill, and I am your host. And today we're going to be talking about a really important but really simple topic, and that is, how do you go about getting your Facebook page verified? How do you get that little gray check mark that tells the world that this is your official page? For those of you who don't know me, I'm the owner of Fox Social Media, where I've been helping my clients, which are small businesses and personal brands, to both market and grow their businesses online for over the past 9 years now. And I'm really excited to be doing this show and helping all of you. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, because every week I'll be posting information that's going to help you to both market and grow your small business or your personal brand. So let's get started. How do you ensure that your clients and customers know exactly which Facebook page belongs to you? You have your business Facebook page verified. That's how you do it. And it's a really simple process. Just look at the screenshot of my company page here, and you'll see the little gray check mark next to where it says Fox Social Media. That tells the world that this is my page, my company's page, and it's the official page for Fox Social Media. With 2.23 billion monthly active users on Facebook, each having their own page on the platform, you can see where it can get really confusing to sort out who's who. There are so many people with the same name, and there are even businesses with the same name. Sometimes it's done inadvertently, sometimes it's done because they're in different industries or different parts of the world or the country, and sometimes it's done intentionally, which brings me to the scammers. The anonymity of the internet is a breeding ground for these criminals, and the more popular a business or the more successful, the more likely it is that a scammer is going to try and impersonate you or your brand in order to try to trick followers into believing that that's your real page. And I work with high-profile individuals through my company, Fox Social Media, and I've seen this happen a lot and in a lot of different fashions. And fortunately, there are ways to get these people removed. But in the meantime, let's not even let them have any impact. So let's go through this process and get your Facebook page verified. Now, I want you to pause this video and open up your Facebook page. Make sure you're logged in. Then next, I want you to navigate directly to your business page. From there, you're going to click on the settings section. Click on the button that says page verification. That will drop down a little link that says verify this page. Now click on the little link saying verify this page. Now you want to enter the publicly listed phone number for your business. Now make sure that this phone number is listed and set to public on your business Facebook page before you go through this process. So you're also going to list any extension that's needed to get a phone call directly to you, and you want to list the country that your business is in as well as the language that you speak. Once you've done that, you want to click on the Call Me Now at the bottom of the page. And shortly after doing so, Facebook will call you with a 4-digit verification code. After you clicked on the Call Me Now button, it should have brought up a screen that says Enter Verification Code and a little box to enter it in. So what you're going to do is enter that 4-digit code into the box and then click the continue button directly below it. Now, what if it's inconvenient for you to call and you'd prefer to do this in a different fashion? Well, Facebook also offers an alternative to verifying your page by phone call. You can also upload documentation. So take a look at this slide right here. Facebook allows you to upload either a business utility or phone bill, your business license, a business tax file, or a certificate information, or the articles of incorporation for your business. Any of those documents will work just as well. So once you have that document on your desktop and you're ready to upload it, all you have to do is click the Upload File button and make sure it properly uploads. Once you've done that, the Send Documentation button will be lit up and allow you to click on it. So once you've clicked on it, you've completed the process. Now, again, you can do it either by phone or by documentation. You don't have to do both. But once you've done one or the other, the process is complete. And now you just have to wait for Facebook to notify you as to whether they're going to let you have that little check mark. This is a very, very simple but very important way to protect both the identity and the reputation of your business online. And it also tells your customers that they're really dealing with you on Facebook and not another business with a similar name, or worse yet, an imposter. So thank you again for joining me today, and remember to subscribe to this channel, and I will see all of you again next week.